And of course, start the camera or video, and the camera always falls over. Here we have a another 1/43rd scale RV. This one is the Breaking Bad video. It says right here on the thing. 1986 Fleetwood Bounder. That looks like a bounder. Anyway. And it is Breaking Bad too. So, customer asked for this one to be same as the other one. Of course, it depends on which way I upload these, but anyway. Headlights, tail lights. And then this one here, he wanted some kind of, he described it as welding flash. White, blue, red flashes inside. Again, I'm not very familiar with the show at all. Or movie, I guess it was a show. I'm showing my ignorance of it right now. Anyway, he just wanted something that looked like a welding spark. So there's some red, blue, and white flashes in there, so that's what we did. Actually, strobes. With steady headlights and steady taillights. Again, this one is for a train layout, so it will operate on the 15 volts AC all the way down. It'll run on 9 volts pretty well too. So anyway, no problem with that. I also have some amber interior lighting. So go ahead and turn that on. And again, not a whole lot to it. And for everybody that's probably going to comment and go, "That's not what the lights look like inside," I can't help that. I'm doing what I was asked to do. And I showed the customer a video of the lights flashing. Said that would work perfect. So anyway, that's where he wanted them installed. That's where I put them. Somewhere on the driver's side, middle to rear. So that's where they're at. So let the comments fly. Of course, now all of y'all are probably going to make that comment. Anyway, if you do, it'll be funny. So sorry. Steady headlights. Again, using the warm white LEDs on that to give it the more an older RV look. Red tail lights. You can see some of the amber lighting inside. And of course the red, white, blue flash and strobes in there. I guess, was it a meth lab? I don't know, meth lab or what. Anyway, again, I'm not very familiar with the show. Whatever was going on inside there, I guess that's the light that came from the equipment that he used, I guess. So anyway, again, just I'll stop because I'm showing my ignorance. So there you have it. Get this shipped out tomorrow with the rest of your other RV and your 2 police cars, and get those out to you. You should have them shipped tomorrow, Wednesday, I guess, up there. So appreciate the orders, and let the comments fly. Thank you.